guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So
It's your girl Gabby.
It's your boy DL. Go check out my mom's Instagram. There's a link down below. Go check my TikTok in there.
And go check my TikTok.
It says
Gabriella is a princess.
alright, so guys, go to my TikTok called
No spaces. No spaces. So what today we're going to be making is a vending machine. A vending machine.
Yeah.
Me and my brother already started it. So when we put it right here, it was just a thing. So what? It's gonna be a fidget vending machine. And then if you're wondering what are these lines, if you're wondering what these lines are, wait, let me get. For one of the lines, so this long line is for this credit card.
Yeah, credit card.
Credit card.
Go check out my music video called
Yeah.
You guys have to dance with me, baby.
And then this one is for
I
this.
don't want to play this, baby. I don't want to play this. And
The vending machine is gonna take it.
I don't want
It's out of it. So me and my brother, don't touch this up. Me and my brother are gonna show you what the rest of what you have to do.
Yeah.
And so what you need is what you need is
still in the hospital unconscious and in a coma.
you need. I think what you need is this to put the rest of the parts.
what for fun.
A knife.
Melvin, please do not
Make sure.
Martin and
And then a pencil and then scissors. Make sure you have parents advice to use a knife.
Yeah.
I'm older than him, so I can use a knife. I'm not gonna make him. He's good at things. I'm 7, he's 8. I'm 7, he's 5.
I have 10 million subscribers, guys. Give me 100 views so I can get a diamond play button.
Okay, whatever. And then here are my fidgets. I ordered more. It's coming today. In the nighttime, me and my brother will show you guys what is here. Right?
So
Yeah.
we're gonna see you guys. So, blah, 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 blah.
By the judge.